Hello everyone, it's Joel with the EV Geek podcast. Sebastian is behind the camera. Today we're going to do another install and review of some new products that we got in from EVBase. As you can see, we're joining you again from Evolve Auto. If you're looking for a used Tesla, this is the place you need to go. Go to evolveauto.com and they will hook you up with a great used Tesla. But today, we're not here to buy a car. We already bought a car from Evolve Auto. Today we're going to show you an install of some rim protectors. So you may have noticed that we did install some rim protectors a few months ago, and actually those got damaged. Actually, I was going through a car wash and took the corner too sharp and actually busted the rim protectors on my car. They did what they were supposed to do. They protected the rim. No scratches on the rim. So I went to EVBase, picked up these new rim protectors. They're a new style. We're going to go through the install process. Shouldn't be that hard. So first thing I'm going to do is show you the rim protector. So we got 4 of them in, of course. So they come nicely packaged, as you can see. Great box they come in. They come wrapped and bubble wrapped as well. So let's kind of show you what they look like. So as you can see, these are a little different than the last ones that we put on. The other ones were kind of flat. These kind of have like some raised ridges in them as well. These are for the, I believe those are the 20-inch rims on the car. So these are the 20-inch rim ones, EVBase. When you're purchasing them, they come in different sizes. So make sure if you have the long-range Tesla Model Y that you buy the 21-inch. Just look at your tires to see which one you need. So first thing we did is we pulled them out. As you can see, they look great. You got a hole here for your little thing where you put your air in your valve.
Valve stem.
Valve stem. Thank you, Sebastian. He's the one who corrects me all the time for your valve stem. So it's easy to line up. You know where it goes. And then they also give you some foam as well. And why do you want foam? So when you put it on the car, it doesn't scratch your actual rim on the car. So we actually took one, and it's kind of hard to see. We actually went around and put the foam on this one already. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes per one to put it on. So yes, great looking rim protectors. I like the quality of them. Hopefully they go on as easy as the last one. So what we're gonna do is pull them all out of the plastic here, hop over to the car, show you how easy it is to put it on, and kind of do our final thoughts. Check back in with you here in a second. All right, we got all the foam around our rims to protect them. Now we're gonna just show you how easy it is to put them on. So like I said, here's the valve stem hole. That's the easiest way to line it up. Put it over that. And these should just kind of just snap in. And as you can see, just like that, we're all snapped in. It's nice and flush. It's not coming off. It's hard to pull off. It was actually very difficult to get the other ones off. And just when you're done, just kind of go around and gotta make sure it's all snapped in. And we're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and do the other 4 as well. And Sebastian will kind of do a little time lapse on that with the camera as us doing that. Thanks. All right, so as you can see, that probably took a total of about 4 minutes to do. So as you can see, these look nice and clean. Lines up perfect with the valve stem. Very easy install. So once again, we got these from EVBase. If you're interested in purchasing these, we have a link in the description that will take you right to these wheel covers. Or you can just go to the website and use code EVGeek, and they'll give you 23% off these rim protectors. Thank you all for joining us today, and we will see you again on another episode of the EV Geek Podcast Reviews.